the choices you made, would you make them again, 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 again? All the lies that you told, did you believe in them? All the choices you made, would you make them again, 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 again? All the lies that you told, did you believe in them? Again, 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 again.
Hey guys, happy Halloween! Today we will be unboxing October's BoxyCharm. It came late, but it's okay. Thank you so much, BoxyCharm, for gifting me this month's box. Now let's open it up. And the theme for this month is candy shop. So if you follow me on Instagram, you will see the pictures that I took using like a pink background. I didn't use blood because I didn't want to dirty my background. But anyways, I used some candy, some spiders because it's October, it's Halloween. In this month's box, I received a lot of skincare, which I am not mad about. I love skincare. All right, let's jump in. The first thing in the box is a palette, and this is by the brand Pretty Vulgar. I have already received a Pretty Vulgar item by BoxyCharm. I think it was an eyeshadow primer. This is the Nesting Bitch Face Palette. It's very vintagey. When you open it up, you have two highlighters, two blushes, and two bronzers. You can mix and match them the way I did. I mixed basically all of them except Mirror Mirror because I didn't want that pink. I didn't want to use this palette on my eyes because it's Halloween and I wanted to do something easy but still Halloweenish. So it says here above the mirror, definition of nesting bitch face: when you've had resting bitch face since birth. Anyways, I really love this face palette. It's so soft and very pigmented. You don't have to use a lot. The Glimmer of BS is a little bit too light for my liking. It looks a little bit light, but I mixed it with Ego, which is a lot more of a bronzy color. If I used Ego on its own, it's gonna be just like a bronzer, a shimmery bronzer. You see, I mixed it. For my contour, I mixed Son of a Bee and Sunkissed Snitch. These names, I love them. And Hush Blush is my blush. This beautiful palette retails for $32. The next item in here is by a brand that I didn't know of. It's the Grown Alchemist. This is the Matte Balancing Moisturizer Acai Berry Borago. It's a big product. I like it. It does actually mattify you. It is a lightweight moisturizer, which I freaking love. My skin cannot handle heavy creams because otherwise I will break out immediately. I was breaking out like crazy because I wasn't taking care of my skin. I was breaking out so much on my forehead. It calmed down. I still have bits of breakouts here and there, but it definitely calmed down. I am taking care of my skin again and keeping it hydrated. I'm super happy that I got this. I love that this is a hydrant moisturizer, but it mattifies you. This is the last product that I used. From the products that I used, it was making me all glowy and dewy, and this definitely mattified me, and I really love that. This actually helped my skin to not bleed oil through my powders, which I really love. This little guy retails for $69. Next, we have an exciting product. It's also skincare. This is by the brand Farsali, and I freaking love this. I've always wanted to try her oils, and now I finally got the chance to try this one. This is called Quench. It's a moisture replenishing serum. Guys, I'm so excited because my skin really needs all these hydrating serums and moisturizers. Oh my god, I'm so happy. Look at this. It's such a beautiful, beautiful packaging. It's glass. It has a dropper. It's so pretty. The serum feels so lightweight on my skin. I did 3 drops, 1 on each cheek and on my forehead, and then I spread it. It felt like hydrating water, not drying. It felt so refreshing. It has by Molecule Hyaluronic Complex plus Pro Vitamin B5. It improves the elasticity of your skin and it leaves it looking softer than before. Guys, I freaking love this. This little guy retails for $24. Next in the box is the last skincare item. This one is by Frank Body, which I didn't know about until now. This is the Glow Mask Caffeinated. This little guy, oh my god guys, it's amazing. Again, another product very amazing that I've just discovered thanks to BoxyCharm. This is 99% naturally derived. It has coffee to awaken, it has shea butter to hydrate, and it has goji berry to brighten your skin. This actually smells really good. I feel like it's the goji berries and the shea butter and the coffee. It smells really good. It's not gonna get hard on your skin. It's just basically a face cream that you leave on, and then after 10 minutes you just rinse it off and your skin is glowing and it's soft, it's rejuvenated. I freaking love this. I cannot wait to keep on using this. This little guy retails for $21.95. The last item in the box is by Ace Beauty. This is the Draw It Lip Liner. I thought it was one lip liner, and when I opened it up, I find two lip liners. This is the lip liner duo set. You get 2 colors in here, and I freaking love the colors. A nude and a bright red. I freaking love this. This is like a must, you know? And the names on them are so beautiful. You have So Gorgeous, which is the red one. Such a pretty red. I freaking love reds. If it's fall, if it's Christmas, if it's spring, if it's summer, a red, it's always a yes. And it's the same with a nude. You can't never say no to a nude. And this nude is by far my favorite. It's a brownie nude. I love it so much. So I am wearing the nude one because I don't want to take away the attention from the Halloween eyes that I've got going on up there. So I went with Be Peachy. It's such a pretty color. I freaking love it. They glide on so smoothly and they're super pigmented. I only use the lip liner to fill all of my lips. It's such a comfortable lip liner. It feels hydrating. It doesn't feel drying on your skin. If you see, it has a sheen to it. There's no specks of shimmer or anything. It's just very hydrating, but it's not glossy. It does transfer, as you guys can see. The lip liners are actually mechanical. You twist the bottom, and they also bring a little sharpener at the end of the lip liner. The color tip is actually your little sharpener. It's not the first time I get a product by Ace Beauty. I got my Bronze in Paradise palette, and I freaking love it, and I was so excited to see this in the box. This duo set retails for $16. Alright guys, so that is everything I got in my October's BoxyCharm. I honestly can't decide my favorite item. I can't pick a favorite when I loved every single item in the box. Let me know in the comments down below what's your favorite item. Now let's just jump into the makeup tutorial. rates this look. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, please don't forget to thumbs this video up. Alright guys, so the total value for this month's box is $162.95, but you only get it for $25. Okay, so let me know in the comments down below your favorite item for this month, and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Happy Halloween to everyone. If you're going trick-or-treating, please stay safe, wear your face mask, and I will see you guys till my next video. Bye!
All the choices you made, did you make them again, 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 again? All the lies that you told, did you believe in them?